Hey guys, so the seller just sent over these really nice magnetic blocks. Now, I have quite a few packs of these and my kids absolutely love them. Whenever I get these blocks, I really like to check and see how good the magnets stick. And these ones right here are great with that. So these are really fun to play with. I already put together like a little creation here. It comes with really cute characters. You have your little Santa Claus here, snowman. It's just really cute with all the different things that it comes with. So it does come with really nice detailed instructions on different builds that you can make. Now some of the ones here that are a little bit bigger, you are gonna wanna buy a couple boxes of these magnetic blocks. And when you do buy them, you wanna stick to the same brand, just because I've noticed personally that some of the blocks are a little bit bigger with different brands that you buy, and they don't connect together well, so you're not gonna be able to build anything with it. So these are really fun for kids who love building with Minecraft. Even my boys love building with Legos. And this is really nice because it gives them something a little bit different to play with and use their imagination with. Now there's so many different things that you can use with this, and it's also really cool too because with my younger kids, with counting, you can go ahead and use them for like different counting blocks too, and it makes it really fun. So if your kid loves creating things and using their imagination, you're looking for a really fun activity for them, these magnetic blocks are a great option. Thanks for watching.